Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a very delicious lamb chop recipe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Let's get started with this recipe. Here I have 4 lamb chops in a big skillet. Just make sure your skillet is nice and wide because we are going to just cook the lamb chops. Here I have 1 star anise. I have 1/2 inch of cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 1 small onion, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and salt as needed. Now we are going to add all the ingredients to the pot or the pan, and here I have 1 cup of water. I'm going to just go ahead and add the water to the lamb chops. Now we are going to turn the heat. Just go ahead and mix it and cook it on medium-high heat. And I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon ginger paste and 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Go ahead and mix them and turn the heat on to medium heat. Now just go ahead and flip it over as it cooks. We don't want to overcook this. We want to just cook them until it's done. And once it is done, turn it off and set it aside. Here I have 1/2 cup of yogurt, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. Go ahead and mix them all well to incorporate. Now I'm going to take my lamb chops that is cooked and cool down a little bit. Go ahead and marinate the yogurt mixture to the lamb chops, and we are going to marinate this at least for a couple minutes. If you can actually do it for 2 hours, it's great. After 2 hours, I've added in 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon milk, and I've combined them well in a separate bowl. And to this I've added 1 egg, and go ahead and mix them well. Now make sure your egg is at the room temperature. Now once it is nicely mixed well, I'm going to coat the meat with the egg mixture, and now go ahead and place this in a hot pan. Now just go ahead and cook them on medium-high heat for 10 minutes, flipping it for another 7 to 8 minutes until the lamb chop is just done. You don't want to overcook it. You don't want to be taking it before it is nicely cooked through. Once it is done, you can remove this and serve this with choice of any vegetable. Thank you for watching guys. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.